Welcome to Breaking News. A stunning declaration today from Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro, dramatically reframing his legal battle and potentially the entire international approach to his regime. Maduro, currently facing accusations of crimes against humanity at the International Criminal Court, is now asserting he is not a defendant, but a prisoner of war. This isn't just semantics, these words carry immense weight under international law. Traditionally, prisoner of war status applies to combatants captured during armed conflict between states, affording them specific protections under the Geneva Conventions. Maduro, however, is not a uniformed soldier, nor is Venezuela officially at war in a traditional sense that would automatically invoke such protections for its head of state. His legal team contends that the ongoing economic sanctions, alleged foreign interference, and protracted political upheaval constitute a form of undeclared warfare against Venezuela, thereby making Maduro, by extension, a political prisoner, or even a prisoner of war. It's a highly unconventional, some might say audacious, legal gambit. The goal, to elevate his standing from an accused individual potentially facing justice to a victim of international aggression. For Washington and its allies, who have long denounced Maduro's government as illegitimate and authoritarian, this claim is likely to be dismissed as baseless and a cynical attempt to evade accountability. The U.S. has maintained significant pressure on Maduro, backing opposition efforts and imposing stringent sanctions, precisely because of alleged human rights abuses, the erosion of democratic institutions, and the humanitarian crisis in Venezuela. But even if widely rejected by leading international bodies, the words themselves matter. By invoking prisoner of war status, Maduro is attempting to strategically shift the global narrative. He aims to reframe the discussion from one of domestic criminality and widespread human rights violations to an international conflict. He seeks to portray himself not as a dictator overseeing a humanitarian catastrophe, but as a sovereign leader defending his nation against external forces. This narrative, however tenuous, could find traction with some international actors who view U.S. and Western interventionism with skepticism, potentially complicating efforts to isolate his regime further. Experts in international law are quick to point out the significant hurdles Maduro faces. The ICC's jurisdiction specifically focuses on individuals for core international crimes, genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression, not to adjudicate POW status. Furthermore, the concept of prisoner of war doesn't typically extend to heads of state accused of orchestrating systematic repression against their own populace. The question now is how this dramatic claim will impact the ongoing legal proceedings at The Hague, and more broadly, the diplomatic efforts aimed at resolving Venezuela's protracted crisis. Is this a desperate last stand, a clever legal play, or a sign of a new, even more defiant posture from Caracas? We'll continue to monitor this developing story and bring you the very latest. Stay with us.